In this video, you will learn how to create a material for manual filling application in the material table. Log in as administrator beforehand, then access the setup menu. Select application, then select application and choose manual target, then the filling option. Go back to the application menu, tap on manual filling, then change the application settings per the process needs. Go back to the application menu, then memory, choose material table, and tap on add new material. Enter the material name and description. If needed, the material can be linked to a Tare ID. To do so, tap on the chain icon to select the Tare ID. Continue setting up the material by going to the next page to enter the target and tolerances. Go back to the main screen to test your settings. The material has been dispensed and weighment record is stored.